Guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video I will give you the clear info regarding shorthand if concept in Python programming. Okay, when we use shorthand if concept and why we use shorthand if concept and all we will discuss you clearly with the real lifetime example program here. Yeah, let me start with the concept here. So let me explain you what is shorthand if concept in Python programming. Okay, so if you have only one statement inside the block to execute, then we can write it on the same line as if the if statement. Okay, in some cases we may found if block contains only single statement. In such cases we can replace the two lines with a single line using the shorthand if concept. Okay, so let me explain you the concept programming here. Yeah, here in this case, for example, this is a requirement is software should accept only the persons aged above 18. So here we have developed a voting software. So that voting software must accept the persons only above 18 age. Okay, that means here we have wrote the logic. Age is equal to 20 if age is greater than 18. So if this condition is true, the print statement will be executed. Okay, print person is accepted by the software and click next to vote. Okay, we have written logic like this in the software development. Okay, so here if block contains only single statement, that is print statement. Okay, in this case, if block contains only single statement, we can replace the two lines of the code with a single line. So here these two lines can be replaced with a single line. So let me execute this first and then we can go for shorthand if concept. Yeah, here I'm executing this code. So here something unexpected in end. So when you get the errors, you try to read the errors carefully and modify the code so that you can get the more knowledge regarding the programming. So line 12 here. So because here I need to keep these in comment lines, otherwise the interpreter will consider that line and will raise an error. So now it will not execute, and so let me execute this code. Okay, you will be getting output in this side. So this is about the shorthand if concept by using, yeah, person is accepted by the software and click next to proceed. See here we have displayed the output. Because here age is 20 which is greater than 18, so if condition is true, so print statement is executed here. So here I am using the shorthand if concept. Now I can replace the two lines with a single line. So here I am placing the print statement in the same line as if the if statement. So here we can decrease the line of code using the shorthand if concept. So based on our requirement, we need to implement the shorthand if concept into our development. Yeah, so let me execute now. See here the same output is displayed. Person is accepted by the software and click next to vote. Okay, this is how we need to work with shorthand if concept in Python programming. Okay, we can replace the two line of code with a single line using the shorthand if concept. Okay, hope that you have got clear idea regarding shorthand if concept. For further tutorials regarding Python programming, you please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you will be getting notifications when I post new videos. Okay, thank you guys.